Well, hello everybody. It's kind of cloudy out here. I hope it don't rain tonight. We want to see these fireworks. Mia's back there working on something she called the Prosperity Bowl. I'm sure Filipinos understand it, but I'm not that familiar with it, so we'll just take a look at that. Okay, Mia, what are you up to today?
So I'm putting rice. So that's it. And then I will put more. Yeah.
A lot of rice there.
Yeah. This is how we do it. Put more.
Think the rice cooker can handle all that rice?
No. And then you have to flatten it. Okay. Yeah. And then I put 12 eggs. Represents the 12 months of the year in a clockwise. Flatten first the rice. And then you have to put 12, 20 coins. Do it clockwise again. Just in between of the eggs.
Wow, I never seen nothing like this.
Yeah. So it's something. Yeah. It's a little bit.
So is this supposed to be like a spell or something, or
No.
it's supposed to make good fortune?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, we all need new good fortune
Exactly.
for a new year, new start, and everything like that.
So we have to put in the middle of the eggs. And then, so that's 12. That represents again the
So
12 months of the year.
Okay.
And then, I keep 12 like this. But actually guys, it's not yet prepared all because I have to put also the 3 ampao with 168 pesos inside each 3 ampao. So I'll make first this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I just put it here.
So this is this supposed to bring good money, or?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
actually we copied this from the Chinese. So since there's a lot of Chinese people in the Philippines and we believe with this.
So do those things have a chocolate
This is-
chocolate in the middle, or?
No, actually sweets, it's like, you know, it
Oh.
represents.
I'll have to fight myself because you'll come back. You'll have less than 12.
No, actually this is 12, this is 12, and that is 12. And also 12 bay leaves.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to choose 12
Gonna
bay
say if it's
leaves.
got chocolate in there, I'll probably eat some of it.
No, there is also a 12. This is the monetary. Also, I put here in a clockwise manner again. This should be 12, but since they're still working on it, the others, so I just put 1, yeah, 2, just in front of the egg, 3, see, because it's very difficult to fold money. This is the new money, so just to continue later.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well, thank you.
yeah. I will just show it later when I finish.
Okay, do that. Okay, now Mia's about to finish the prosperity bowl.
Yeah, and it's very beautiful.
Yeah, it looks different now.
Yeah,
What are you putting in there?
like it's the bay.
Bay leaves. Oh, okay. Let me see.
So,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
so everything is there. In the middle, I put it's a poncan. It's not. This is not oranges. Okay.
Oh, I thought it was
Yeah.
orange.
No, it's different. And that is the fruit of the year. Because 2024, it was been pineapple. And now it is poncan. That's different from the oranges.
Well, it's a lot like orange, though.
Yeah, but it's not really. Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah. So this is it. And it's very beautiful, you know.
Yeah, I never seen that before.
Yeah. We usually do this every year in the Philippines. So every New Year, we have to prepare a prosperity bowl, which represents good wealth, good health, everything. Everything is here. So this is it.
Okay.
So when I let it face you, that is
Oh,
the
it's
result.
nicer there.
So the ampao contains 168 pesos each. So it's 3 ampaos also.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Beautiful.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Okay, now we have the tables already. She's got the table ready.
Yeah, so we have here the 12 kinds of fruits. That again represents the 12 months of the year. And in the middle must be a pineapple. So we have pineapple. The banana is not really a part of it, but since you like banana, so I just buy banana.
That's
And
nice.
then yeah, some sticky rice, but the other food is still in the fridge. We have also prepared wine and then a cake. And this is also a sticky rice. We call this puto. So
Okay.
really, New Year, we need some sticky rice. Actually, I have inside the fridge some more to add later. This is just the first phase. So later, it will be more. This is really the main priority, fruits. So Philippines, this is how we celebrate New Year. We have to provide. We have to have all the fruits, the 12 kinds of fruits, different. Round, circle fruits. But we actually got this again from the Chinese people, I think. I'm not also sure about it, but yeah. So, okay.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.